Mother's Day is coming up, and we're going to be doing a series of shorts for Mother's Day. But before that, just some ideas for Mother's. And why are we doing it on Bill Dube Cook? Because nothing says mom like good old cooking. I still remember when my mom taught me how to boil an egg. Some ideas for Mother's Day that you could do is you could, let me see what I write down, because my memory's going with me. Here's some ideas. Oh yeah, flowers. How could you forget flowers? Anyway, some nice flowers. You could either go store-bought or you could go pick them out of the yard, depending on your age. And candy. Candy's always good. That's great. And you could take mom out for lunch, dinner, movies, or maybe all three. That would be fun. These are just some ideas off the top of my head. Candy, poetry, and maybe even buy your mom her favorite book. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I pose the same question to my AI, and we're going to find out what those questions are. 100 AI Mother's Day shorts. Ideas for things that you could do for your mom via the AI. And by the way, guys, all those who are worried about having your jobs by being replaced by AI, you might be surprised.